In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your PayPal account without a phone number. If you're locked out because you can't receive a text code, don't worry. There are reliable ways to get back in. First, open a web browser and go to paypal.com. In the top right corner, click Login. This brings you to the standard sign-in page, which is where we'll start the recovery process. On the login page, select Having Trouble Logging In. When prompted, enter the email address that's linked to your PayPal account, then click Next. Make sure you're using the exact email you registered with, and keep an eye on your inbox and spam folder for any messages that may arrive during recovery. If PayPal asks for a phone number you no longer have, look for alternative verification options. You may see choices like email verification or security questions if you set them up previously. If you don't see them immediately, look for a try another way link. On desktop browsers, these alternatives are often easier to find than on the mobile app, so using a computer can help. If you still can't get past the automated prompts, scroll to the bottom of any PayPal page and click Help or Contact. In the Help Center, choose Password and Account Access, then select Login Problems or Account Recovery. From there, click Message Us or Chat with Us. This opens a support channel where you can explain what's going on and request assistance. In the chat, clearly state that you no longer have access to your old phone number and that you want to recover your PayPal account. A support agent may ask you to confirm your identity. Be prepared to provide a valid government-issued ID and answer a few account-related questions, such as recent activity or linked details, to verify ownership. Share only what the agent specifically requests, and never provide your password. If the chat starts with an automated assistant, ask to be connected to a human agent if needed. Once your access is restored, go straight to settings and update your phone number to a new active one. Save your changes so you don't run into the same problem in the future. Recovery options can vary depending on your country and account status, so don't worry if your screen looks a little different. And remember, if automated options don't work, contacting PayPal support directly is the most reliable solution. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more PayPal tips and tutorials.